Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to change email for Instagram quickly and easily using the latest settings. If you've updated your email or just want to keep your account secure, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your profile page where all your account options begin. Step 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where Instagram keeps settings, privacy, and account-related options. Step 4. Tap on Account Center at the top. This is where Instagram and Facebook manage shared account information like email addresses and phone numbers. Step 5. Tap on Profiles and then Personal Details under Account Settings. This section controls your personal information that's linked to your Instagram account. Step 6. Tap on Contact Info. This is where you can see and manage your current email addresses and phone numbers. Step 7. Tap on Add a New Contact. This option allows you to add a new way for Instagram to contact you. Step 8. Select Add Email. This tells Instagram that you want to add or replace an email address on your account. Step 9. Enter your new email address in the Enter Email Address box. Make sure you type it correctly because this email will be used for security and notifications. Step 10. Select the Instagram account you want the email applied to. This is important if you manage more than one account under the Account Center. Step 11. Tap Next to confirm and save. Once confirmed, your new email will be successfully updated on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful tutorials.